Citizen 2 kuna jamaa alikuwa akirekodi kwa gallery.
Hata wewe dakika 5 unataka 20.
We were able to discover 769 packages of crystalline substance that was weighing approximately 1,024 and 253 kilograms of what came out to be methamphetamine. The street value of the consignment is estimated to be Kenya shillings 8.2 billion, equivalent to US dollars 63 million. We did our own preliminary sampling tests, and this was done by the government chemists. And the analysis confirmed that the substance was methamphetamine, which essentially is a synthetic drug.
Kenya Navy was able to intercept this suspicious vessel about 630 kilometers east of Mombasa. And we have been able to conduct this operation seamlessly, and were able to arrest it and escort it here to the port of Mombasa.